Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload project to GitHub using Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a popular code editor that can be used to write programs like Java, C++, Python, etc. It has variety of different extensions that you can install to collaborate with other tools. So now in order to collaborate with GitHub, first I need to install the Git. So in the Google search bar, I'll type Git and I'll first go to this website. So and then I'll go to the download section since I'm using the Windows machine. So I'll go to download for Windows, and then I will install this setup 64-bit setup for Windows. I think I already have it in my system, so I'm going to cancel the download process. Let me just open this installer file, click yes, click next. This is where it will be installed. Click next. All the settings will be as it is. Click next. Here I'm going to mention the Visual Studio Code as my default editor. Click next. All settings will be as it is. There will be no change. Click next. Install, and it will take few seconds to install. After that, what I need to do is open a project in Visual Studio Code. Once this installation process is done and dusted, it will take few seconds. Please wait. So it has been installed. Now let me just uncheck it and finish. So now is the time to set the environment variable. So let me just go to the directory where Git is installed. So it is installed in my C directory, program files, Git, bin. All I need to do is just copy the path and go in the search bar and type edit the system environment variable. Go to the environment variable, go to the path over here and just open this and new and just copy paste the path. Click OK, OK and OK. This has been set. Now what I need to do is just close the Visual Studio Code and let me just reopen the application. Open the Visual Studio Code again and go to the terminal. And I'll type the command git dash dash version, and it will display me the current version which has been installed in my system. After that, I'll open a new project. I'll open a new folder. Open a folder. I have already created a folder in my D directory with name banking data. Let me just select a folder, select folder, and the folder will be added. It has sample underscore banking.csv file. Now what I need to do is just open the Google search bar and type GitHub, and I need to open my GitHub account, and I will create a new repository, and I will name this as banking data, and I will make this repository as public, and I will click create repository, and the repository will be created. So the important thing to be noted here is this HTTPS. This is the link that will be requiring. So now what I need to do is just go to the terminal again, and I need to first initialize my GitHub repository, Git repository. So for that, I'll be using this command git init, and just quickly type the command, copy paste the command and press enter. Initialize, it has been initialized. Now what I need to do is, this is the repository, this is the folder that is locally located. I need to establish a connection between this repository and the repository which I have just created. So in order to do that, I'll be using this command, uh, and the command will be git remote add origin. This is the name of remote connection. Here I'm going to provide the path. So the path I'll copy the path from here. Just copy and paste the path over here. Just paste the path over here. Quickly do that, and just copy the command and paste it over here and press enter. We are done. After that, we have only one file. I want whatever I have in my local repository, I want to copy it to the staging area. So for that, I'll be using this command. Just copy and paste the command over here and press enter. We are done. Excellent. After that, I'll be using this command, git commit. Just copy and paste the command. So enter. We are done with this command as well. Then we have to rename the current branch to main. So let me just copy and paste the command over here, press enter. We are done with this command as well. After that, we want to push the code to the main branch. For that, I'll be using this command, git push minus u origin is the name of the connection, the remote connection. The name could be anything. So I've set the name to origin, and main is the name of my branch. Just copy and paste the command over here and press enter and just wait. It is done, it is executed successfully. Now what I need to do is just check whether we have got the files in the repository or not. Let me just open the repository again. So banking data, let's see if it is updated or not. Yes, it is updated. Initial commit, we have got the sample underscore banking.csv file. 1 minute. So I hope you have gone through the process of uploading a project to GitHub. At the end, a humble request to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you and have a great learning.